Hi everybody, this is Ankita from Ankita's Art Castle. Welcome to my channel. I'm with you with a new video that's how to reuse the old calendars without wasting our time. Let's get started. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you could notify with the new ideas. And let's get started. The needed materials are one of the color sheet. I'm going to use the orange color sheet. You can use the color sheet as per your wish. And I'm going to use Camlin watercolor tubes. It's the best watercolor tubes. I'm going to use it. If you want to use this also, then I have put the link in the description box for buying. And it is a DIY ruler. I have already made the video of this, how to make the DIY ruler using old calendars. If you want to watch the video, I have put the link in description box. This is a Tixo razor and scissor, and it's a glue, CTDV marker and sketch pens if needed, one of the paintbrush and one of the calendar. I'm going to use 2013 calendar. If you have any other year's calendar, old year's calendar, then you can use them. And this is the needed materials. Let's get started. I have took the calendar and I have took two calendars because the base should be thick, so I'm going to take two calendars and fold it. I have folded and I'm going to press it here. I have folded properly, and now I'm going to place the color sheet on this. I have placed the color sheet on the calendar, and now I'm going to stick it on the calendar properly. Be remembered that first of all, before sticking the color sheet on this, we have to stick the calendars, both of the calendars together at properly. I have stuck it properly. Now I am going to place the color sheet on this. Now I have placed the color sheet and I am going to stick it. I have properly stuck it, and now I am going to mark the places. I have marked 1 centimeter from each side, and I have used the CD/DVD marker and DIY scale to mark the points, and now I am going to cut the paper. I have cut it. Now I am going to cut interior of the paper. I have already cut the interior of the paper. We have to cut only the edge of the paper. Now I am going to stick it. Sorry, you can't take 1 centimeter because it is too low, and you can't keep the things inside. So I have took nearly 3 to 3.5 centimeter. So I have stuck it with the stapler. As you can see here, I have stuck it with stapler, and I'm going to do some more design on this. As you all know, I'm having some sheets of calendar, and I'm going to color or cover it with a color sheet. I'm going to use this white sheet for covering this. I'm going to keep it like this because of here I'm going to keep a pencil, scale. I'll tell afterwards what to do and what not to do. Let's go to the craft. I'm going to use the hot glue because of sticking this. Sorry, but I did not say this in first, but I'm going to say now. As you all can see, I have stuck it properly. Now I'm going to decorate it. Now I'm going to decorate it with the caramel color, and I'm going to color it here. I have just done the background color. Now I'm going to do upon this a design. This is a dotted design, and these are the flowers of yellow, and white is the middle seed reproductions, and this dark green is the leaves, and light green is also a leaves. In our area we call it as a dotted designs. and red is the background color, and I'm going to continue it here also with the other ideas. As you can see, I have completed the design now, and now I'm going to favoritist part, and I'm going to decorate inside one. And I have did the inside drawing also, I mean decorating. I have stick the quotes here, and I'm going to stick this ends of the box. As you all can see, I have completed it. You can use this. Now it's ready for use. You can do this by ready-made box also, but it is better way to reuse the calendars. It's 100% made from calendar. Let's see how it works. You can use like this, or otherwise you can keep here pencils, scales, and you can keep here all the pens and everything, and you can keep here erasers, rubber, sharpeners, everything. It's a better way to reuse the calendars, and in the next video I'll show how to make the cover of this box. I think everybody got to know how I'm going to make the cover of this box, and please wait to the next video that's I'm uploading by tomorrow, and please subscribe to my channel so that you can get the videos as first, and like to the video, and please comment that below.